Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels are not scrolling. If you're using Instagram and your Instagram Reels are not scrolling, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to check your network connection because it might be your network issue. So you have to refresh your network first. So now to do that you can easily try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And once you have done, you have to go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So you have to open your app store here, go for search bar, and you have to simply search for Instagram. And from here, you have to try to update your Instagram app. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. And once you have updated your Instagram app, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if your issue is still not fixed. So now to fix that, you have a simple step. You have to open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for Instagram, and you have to try to offload your app. Tap on offload app, tap on offload app option again, then tap on reinstall app. It will completely reinstall app on your phone. So if there will be any issue with your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.